Lamdam asida fangba U-Hei Sing-Dagi Potyan Yaohandana Sungba Makhal Ahum Taste Toubagi Thouram ngase Gari Awang Laikai de Leiba Manipur International University ge Academic Block ta Pangthokkhre. University asigi IQAC Sel amadi Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Sel na Sinduna Pangthokhiba Thouram aduda Naspati Haikru amadi Chorfondagi semba Makhal Sing asibu Sungliba Hortrisan Haiba Ukhrul District leiba company asigi founder Dr. Phungchamnau Ranraifi Khareina Phongdorakpada lamdam asi mahausadagi hauduna mahai marong marang kaina fangba lamdam amani mafam asida fangliba mahai marong kaya asi chahi khudingi pat pumduna manglaga daba U-Hei Sing adu kuina liduna thamnaba amadi kana bahiram amada puthoktuna miyamda fanghanaba honabada khongthang asi paikhatkibani. Sustainable healthy living through food and lifestyle, let your food be the medicine. Haiba wakhalon asina mang thaduna Hortrisan na miyamda afaba chunjak fanghanba mangkigadoraba U-Hei Sing manghandaba amadi khungangi lawmi singda thabak supiri. Puthokliba Makhal asi thakpa matamda nisha kahangadaba Potyan sizinaba tawdana chada chama % natural oiba pambaina Sungba Makhal amani. Masina hakchang sokhanba natraga addict taraknabagi maram amata leite. Mahosagi thawongna Sungba oibana expired oiba leiroi haike.
I don't have a shop in Imphal, but many people are requesting me to open a shop. I believe one day I will be able to run a shop. Let's see. But then, since I have a customer from Imphal also, so I used to supply them, supply them based on their individual needs. But I'm not in a position to open a shop. But interestingly, I have a clients from customer who happen to be a tourist and they like my product. They even requested me to sell to national and international beyond. But I don't have the capacity to sell outside because it requires a lot of money, especially in Manipur. We have a lot of logistic problem. So to market it, and especially again for packaging problem, in order not to get leak and everything, again I need to have a good, machine, industrial heavy machine, which I can't afford because it's very expensive. I'm doing it everything with my pocket money, with my passion, with whatever I can at my disposal. I'm doing it. So that is making me to take up this business more slow. But whoever take my product become my prospective client. So I'm very happy that they trust my products, and I'm more than happy that they feel good. Their stomach, is very good after taking this because, it helped them for good digestion.